Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate orange cupcakes. So firstly I will show you how to make the cakes and then I will show you how to make the buttercream. So for the cakes you will need 175 grams of self-raising flour, 175 grams of caster sugar, 175 grams of margarine or butter, 3 eggs, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 1 orange. Firstly, in a bowl, cream together your butter and your sugar. Then add your eggs and mix well. Then grate the zest of the orange into the mixture. And having juiced the orange, you want to add 2 tablespoons of orange juice. Make sure you reserve the rest of your orange juice because we will be using this for the buttercream icing later on. Then add your self-raising flour and your cocoa powder and mix really well until a nice batter has formed. Then, having pre-lined a cupcake tray with cupcake cases, you just want to spoon your mixture into each cupcake case. Then bake in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 190 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted for 16 to 20 minutes. Then allow your cupcakes to cool while we make the buttercream. So for the buttercream you will need 175 grams of icing sugar, 75 grams of unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and 1 tablespoon of orange juice. In a bowl, mix together your icing sugar and your cocoa powder and then add in your butter. So you want your butter to be room temperature and this will make it much easier to work with. And then you just want to mash your butter into your icing as much as you can, bringing it together. So with making buttercream icing, you either want to do it with a fork and a bit of patience and a bit of elbow grease, or if you have like a stand mixer, you can put it in a stand mixer and it will whip it up in no time. But I always like to show the most basic way of doing things, so then you've got the least amount of equipment, so then you guys know it doesn't matter what equipment you've got, you can bake, you can make this. And then once you've mashed your butter into your icing as much as you can do, then you want to just add in your orange juice and then bring it all together and it should make a really nice creamy buttercream. And then you just want to add this to the top of your cupcakes. I have used a piping bag and a piping tip, but if you want you can just use a spoon and spread it on with a knife if you like, and then just like sprinkles or something on the top, however you want to decorate. And there you have it. That's how you make chocolate orange cupcakes.